Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Google Pay reward and loyalty programs. Let's get straight into it. The first step is to explore available rewards and loyalty programs. So you can do that by opening Google Pay on your device and then tap on rewards or loyalty tab, and then just browse through the available rewards and loyalty programs. The second step, of course, is to join rewards and loyalty programs. So you could just select a reward or loyalty program that you are interested in, and then tap on join or enroll to sign up, and just follow the prompts to complete the enrollment process. The third step is to link royalty cards to Google Pay. You can do that by tapping on the loyalty tab and then select add loyalty card, and just enter the loyalty card detail, or you could just scan the card and then link the loyalty card to Google Pay. The fourth step is to earn rewards and points. So you can use Google Pay to make purchases at participating merchants, and that will help you earn rewards and points for eligible transactions. So you can track your rewards and points balance in the Google Pay app. So the fifth step is to redeem rewards and points. So you could just tap on the rewards tab and select the reward or point that you want to redeem, and then just follow the prompts to complete the redemption process. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it, hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.